guys, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I feel happy because I get good food.
How about you, Dhui? What do you feel?
I feel unwell yesterday because I lack rest. How about you, Mail?
I feel very tired after full day studying in campus. And how about you, Sid?
I feel confused. There are still many tasks that I have not done yet.
What if we try to get rid of these uncomfortable feelings?
What will we play?
What if we play question and answer?
I agree. Let's start playing.
Let's begin.
Okay, I will give question for you, Dhui. What is your hobby? And mention the reason.
My hobby is watch movie because movie can provide entertainment for me.
What movie did you last watch?
I watch from Marvel Studio
Which one?
and game.
Oh, the movie have just come on cinema.
Yes, of course.
How about you, Dick? What your hobby?
My hobby is playing badminton because it can make our body
Yield.
healthy.
What is your favorite player, Dhui?
My favorite player Taufik Ismail.
And you, Sid? What your hobby?
My hobby is riding a bike because it can make me relax and enjoy the scenery.
Where have you been riding a motorcycle?
I have been traveling in Yogyakarta.
How about you, Mail?
My hobby is camping because I feel relaxed. I went camp.
Throughout your is hobby kutu.
Where did you last camp?
Once I camp at Didik Nowo H.W.
How many days do you usually camp?
I usually camp for 3 days and 2 nights.
What a long-term camp.
Then, what is your favorite television program? Sid?
My favorite television program is stand-up comedy. It is very funny.
Who is the comedian this is funny?
The funniest comedian, in my opinion, is Rosyid. How about you?
I think Sule is the funny. And then, what your favorite television program, Mail?
I like talk show.
What talk show do you watch frequently?
I often watch Mata Najwa broadcast on Trans 7.
Who is the host?
The host is Najwa Shihab. And you, Didi?
I like the commentary.
What documentary do you watch frequently?
I often watch my trip, my adventure by watching the program, I can see the natural beauty of Indonesia.
And you, Dhui, what television program do you like?
My favorite television program is cartoon.
What cartoon? Is it anime?
No, not anime. What I often watch is the SpongeBob cartoon series.
Wow! Legendary cartoon. I also often watch the cartoon series. Then, what kind do you like film, Didi?
I like action movie. I like Jackie Chan film.
Do you know the Ip Man movie?
Yes, I know. I have seen the movie from time.
Did you know the Ip Man 4 will be released on July?
Wow, just from out.
I think the film is cute, interesting.
Yeah, I think it's right.
What if we watch together?
Maybe we'll just call the time to watch it.
How about you, Dwi? What kind of movies do you like?
I like horror movie.
There you to do it?
What horror film do you have watched?
The Conjuring and Munafik 1.
Do you prefer foreign horror or Indonesian horror?
I like both, but I prefer Indonesia horror
Why do you prefer Indonesian horror?
because Indonesia horror is more real in the make.
Oh, watch it of movie like Rosyid.
I like historical film.
What historical do you like? Film?
I like Soekarno, Jenderal Sudirman, and Tara Garuda.
What lesson can you take from historical film?
I learned the struggle of the heroes to liberate Indonesia.
Those movie that you like good too?
What kind of movie do you like?
I like documentary movie.